Hi there, it's Leon from the development team. We've upgraded our invoice payment system. The card element has been replaced with a dynamic payment element that can show Google Pay or Apple Pay options. And this change depends on the customer's country, browser, and activated Google or Apple wallets. You would end up wanting to make sure to go to payments integrations, and enable Google Pay and Apple Pay for order forms. You'd also want to enable this within Stripe. And there's a lot of docs in the Stripe help area in the development and the regular space that can assist you with that. We also have a help library article on this topic. Then when you would send invoices, or in this case, looks like this is a Text2Pay link, you can use Google Pay and Apple Pay to accomplish that. Here's how it would look. Stay tuned for more updates.